The Education Minister, Senator Ruel Reid, has referred a proposed code of conduct for educators and school boards to the National Council on Education for its study and recommendations. The referral comes amidst increased public debate on the document. In a news release earlier today, Mr. Reid argued that the code is needed to clarify where conflicts of interest can arise with the use of public property for political engagement. But the teachers are questioning the need for the regulation. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Under a proposed code of conduct, the Ministry of Education outlined 6 points politically active teachers should abide by. But for the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Dr. Garth Anderson,
what would have necessitated this move by the Honourable Minister of Education, bearing in mind that the political arena has benefited from the intellectual capacities of teachers for decades. And so, as far as I'm concerned, if the system is not broken, why is it we are trying to fix it?
Under the proposal, the ministry wants teachers or principals seeking to become a political representative to notify their school board, and states that regular rules apply to leave or casual leave. The proposal adds that they must avoid situations that can be considered conflicts of interest. But the sticking issue for the JTA president is where teachers and principals who are politically active are restricted from criticizing the program and policies of the ministry in any media.
I think that is very much concerning to me. Any politician, teacher or not, should be able to respectfully criticize the minister, any program or policy of the Ministry of Education. It's a democracy, and so we have to be very careful of the message we send to the wider public.
So, is the Education Minister Ruel Reid trying to muzzle the teachers?
I don't want to believe that is what the minister intended to communicate, and I don't even want to think it was a serious proposal, because we live in a democracy, and so people should be free to criticize our leaders, whether we are teachers, whether they are teachers or not.
Dr. Anderson insists that if there's a need for such code, there should be wide consultation.
We have to take into consideration as well that there is already a political code of conduct. Is it that we are saying that if you're a teacher, you will now have to abide by 2 codes of conduct? So it is something that we have to seriously look into, and I'm not too sure what is it we hope to achieve from this move.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.